Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive error on your iPhone, you can't use this feature right now. So why you see this and how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to know that also you make too many actions in one time, and that's why just Facebook thinks that you may be a spammer, and they just block this action for you for some time. So mostly you just need to wait until Facebook will unblock this action for you. But also you can try to sign in with into your account with another device, or you can try to change your Wi-Fi network, or if you're using Wi-Fi network, when you receive this message just try to use mobile data, and if you receive this message when you're using mobile data just try to use Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't help you, just try to restart your device. Just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, just wait, because there is no another way how you can fix it. So just wait until Facebook will unblock this action for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.